How's it going? Well, I'm working on the Honda Shadow 2008 VT750. I lost the keys to it in the process of moving, so I ordered this universal switch, and it come in 5 wires, and I only needed 3 of them. So this red wire's got a black stripe on it. It goes to the solid black wire. Red goes to the solid red. The blue with the orange stripe goes to the black with the white stripe. And these 2 green ones, they go to a ground. I don't even know if I need them. But turn the key on. Got power. Pull the choke. Fires right up. Turn that off. Alright. So I went all over YouTube, social media, trying to find out what 3 wires I need. I'm not any good at reading wire diagrams. No. So then I had to drill out, hey doggy, had to drill out the lock for the gas cap. The tools I used for that was this metal bit, drilling, and then a large drill bit. I basically had to get in there and drill out the 2 springs, one on each side, that holds the gas cap on. So now I got to pull the gas tank because some of the metal shavings dropped inside. I did let it cool off in between drilling, so I got to clean out the gas tank, put it back on. Probably gonna run some seafoam through it. Then got to order tires, tubes. I'm probably gonna do a whole series on this bike. Maybe even order some vinyl wrap and wrap it. Well, I'm trying to get her back running. Anyway, have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.